Assuming a person doesn't have a business background,
Mm-hmm.
doesn't feel comfortable reading financial reports,
Yep.
what are 2 or 3 digital resources they can consult to quickly gauge the viability of a business,
Mm-hmm.
brand, or programming title in terms of like a film or TV show?
Um, so you can always go to, there's an old standby, and it's called Dun& and Bradstreet.
Dun and Bradstreet.
And basically, this was sort of the definitive source that I used when I was a financial analyst. And it's a great resource because it gives you a snapshot of the company. It gives you who the key executives are, lets you know when when they raised a round of funding. It'll give you the most recent news about the company. And a lot of times you'll get a rating.
Oh, really?
So that's a really good sort of old school standby source. But if you're talking specifically about digital media, the source that I go to is TechCrunch,
TechCrunch.
which is a similar service, but it's only focused on the technology industry.
Is it free?
It's free.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
win. Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then there are other sort of, digital publishing resources you can go to. So there's, Google Trends is interesting if you just want to get some information about, who are the companies in the forefront in the digital business. Like Google Trends will tell you that. Like
Google Trends.
who's being talked about in the news and for what reason.
Oh, I see.
And then there's other options like the Business Insider.
The Business Insider.
So there's a lot of different sources, but I tend to go to those 4 first, depending on what I'm researching.
Interesting. You know what?
So I mentioned market capitalization,
Yeah.
earnings per share, EBITDA. Dun and Bradstreet will have those numbers for you. So if you want to
Really?
just go on and just get a holistic view of how a company's performing, Dun and Bradstreet's a great source.